G'day guys, Matt from KCK Lubricants here again today. Want to do a really quick video on DOT4 brake fluid. Now DOT4 brake fluid is generally a recommended product for European vehicles or ABS units, and it's more performance orientated than the DOT3 brake fluid. Still contains glycol that'll still damage your paint if you spill it, but it's a Borate Ester base now. That's by definition to meet the DOT4 standard. It's also still hygroscopic, it will still absorb moisture, but generally less hygroscopic than a DOT3. Dry boiling point, this is minimum for the DOT4. A dry boiling point, 230 degrees C. Wet boiling point, 155 degrees C. It does also mix with the DOT3s and the DOT5.1 brake fluids. The performance DOT4 brake fluids that you'll see on the market contain more additives to increase the boiling point and also help inhibit corrosion. They also run additives to aid in the protection of your seals inside your braking system to give a longer service life, basically. But that's a really quick breakdown of DOT4 brake fluid. Hope you liked it. If it was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed, and thanks for watching.